November 2024, 130 students aged 16 to 18 embarked on a unique adventure in the heart of Torino, Valentura. This journey seamlessly blended technology, history, and excitement, set against the iconic backdrop of Valentino Park alongside the River Po. Valentura isn't just a game, it's an epic challenge that merges reality and virtuality. Combining elements of location-based gaming and virtual reality, participants explored the park and immersed themselves in history interactively, using cutting-edge technologies like augmented reality and virtual reality, all powered by the 5G telecommunication network. Set in the medieval-inspired atmosphere of Valentino Park's historic village, players confronted a powerful evil entity. To defeat it, they had to collect 4 artifacts by completing a series of mini-games scattered across the park. Armed with an enchanted device, a tablet that transformed their surroundings, players unlocked new dimensions of the adventure. The climax of the experience, a final battle with the evil wizard, unfolded in a virtual world, accessed through a VR headset and hand controllers. And the ultimate prize, winners earned an exclusive virtual tour of Valentino Park's medieval village, currently under renovation, but accessible through the magic of technology. This extraordinary experience was developed as part of TrialsNet, trials supported by smart networks beyond 5G, a project funded by the Horizon Europe programme for research and innovation of the European Union. Valentura, where the past and future collide in an unprecedented adventure.